Hi viewers! Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on a soothing and fragrant journey into the enchanting world of lavender, a captivating herb celebrated for its delightful aroma and extraordinary medicinal properties. Lavender, with its lush purple blooms and calming essence, has been cherished by cultures around the globe for centuries. Beyond its ornamental beauty, lavender holds a treasure trove of healing wonders that have captivated herbal enthusiasts and modern researchers alike. In this captivating video, we will explore the medicinal uses of lavender, delving into its historical significance, nutritional components, and the scientific evidence supporting its diverse health benefits. From promoting relaxation and alleviating stress to soothing skin irritations and beyond, lavender's therapeutic prowess is ready to whisk you away to a world of tranquility and well-being. Join us as we uncover the secrets of this aromatic marvel, and let the healing essence of lavender infuse your life with serenity and bliss. Let's embark on this fragrant voyage into the medicinal magic of lavender. Lavender, scientifically known as Lavandula angustifolia, is a timeless and enchanting herb renowned for its soothing aroma, delicate purple blooms, and remarkable medicinal properties. With a history dating back thousands of years, lavender has been cherished by civilizations across the globe for its diverse uses. From ancient herbal remedies to modern aromatherapy practices, lavender continues to captivate herbal enthusiasts, researchers, and anyone seeking relaxation and well-being. In this comprehensive video, we will embark on a fragrant and enlightening journey into the medicinal uses of lavender, delving into its historical significance, nutritional composition, and the scientific evidence supporting its diverse health benefits. From promoting relaxation and alleviating stress to soothing skin irritations and supporting respiratory health, lavender's therapeutic prowess is a true marvel. Join us as we uncover the secrets of this aromatic herb, and let the healing essence of lavender infuse your life with serenity and bliss. Lavender's rich history can be traced back to ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, who cherished this herb for its aromatic allure and medicinal properties. The name, lavender, is derived from the Latin word, lavare, which means to wash, highlighting its traditional use in bathing and cleansing rituals. Ancient Egyptians used lavender in their embalming practices and cosmetics. They also used it for its fragrance and therapeutic properties in religious ceremonies. In ancient Greece and Rome, lavender was highly valued for its aromatic essence and medicinal virtues. Lavender was a popular ingredient in perfumes, cosmetics, and herbal remedies. Throughout history, lavender has been a symbol of purity, love, and devotion. It was often used in bridal bouquets and as a natural air freshener. In the Middle Ages, lavender was used to protect against the plague and other contagious diseases. Lavender-scented handkerchiefs were carried to ward off infections. In the 19th century, lavender's therapeutic benefits gained popularity, and it became widely used in Victorian England for various medicinal and cosmetic purposes. Nutritional composition. Before exploring the medicinal uses of lavender, let's first examine its nutritional profile. Lavender contains essential oils, including linalool and linalool acetate, which give it its distinctive aroma and therapeutic properties. These compounds are responsible for lavender's calming and relaxing effects. Lavender also contains flavonoids, tannins, and other bioactive compounds that contribute to its potential health benefits. The plant's flowers and leaves are the most commonly used parts for medicinal purposes. Number 1. Promoting relaxation and alleviating stress. One of the most well-known and cherished medicinal uses of lavender is its ability to promote relaxation and alleviate stress. The aroma of lavender has a calming effect on the nervous system and may help reduce anxiety and tension. Lavender essential oil is widely used in aromatherapy to induce relaxation and improve sleep quality. Number 2. Soothing skin irritations and wound healing. Lavender's healing properties extend to the skin as well. Lavender essential oil has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for soothing skin irritations, such as insect bites, rashes, and minor burns. Studies have shown lavender's potential in promoting wound healing. Lavender essential oil can be applied topically to support the healing process and reduce the risk of infection. Number 3. Supporting respiratory health. Lavender's aromatic nature makes it beneficial for respiratory health. Inhaling lavender essential oil vapors or using it in steam inhalations may help alleviate congestion and respiratory discomfort. Number 4. Lavender for sleep and insomnia. Lavender is often used to improve sleep quality and address insomnia. The relaxing aroma of lavender essential oil can create a calming environment conducive to restful sleep. A study published in the journal Complementary Therapies in Clinical Practice found that lavender aromatherapy improved sleep quality in participants with insomnia. Number 5. Headache relief. Lavender's analgesic and calming properties may also provide relief from headaches and migraines. Inhalation of lavender essential oil or topical application to the temples and forehead may help alleviate headache symptoms. Number 6. Digestive aid. Lavender has been used traditionally as a digestive aid to relieve symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and nausea. Drinking lavender tea or using lavender-infused oil may help soothe digestive discomfort. Number 7. Immune support. The bioactive compounds in lavender, such as linalool and linalool acetate, have demonstrated potential immune-supporting effects. Lavender's antioxidant properties help protect the body from oxidative stress and may support overall immune function. Lavender, the aromatic medicinal marvel, continues to captivate our senses and nurture our well-being with its diverse health benefits. From promoting relaxation and alleviating stress to soothing skin irritations and supporting respiratory health, lavender's therapeutic prowess is as enchanting as its delicate purple blooms. As we embrace lavender's healing embrace, let us also honor its historical significance and cultural significance throughout the ages. Whether we enjoy its calming aroma in aromatherapy, savor its soothing effects on the skin, or use it to create a tranquil environment for restful sleep, let lavender infuse our lives with serenity and bliss. The aromatic journey into lavender's medicinal wonders is a testament to the enduring power of nature's gifts. As we continue to explore and uncover the potential of this fragrant herb, let us remember to cherish its contributions to our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. May lavender's healing essence continue to inspire and enrich our lives, just as it has done for countless generations before us. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing this video.